What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're at Darlington Dragway. It is race day. It's Saturday. Small tire. We had about 75 cars lock in, so we're hoping we'll get close to 100 cars out here. $400 buy-in. This is going to be a big purse. Now, they are splitting this one back, which I like. I think they're paying all the way back to the semifinals or the quarterfinals. So that's good. You won't ever hear me complain about paying further back. Always brings more cars and makes it so that when you have to race those big dogs, if you get put out, as long as you get down to 8 or 4 cars, you get a little bit of money. Maybe at least get your entry fee back. So we're excited. This is going to be a good day. They had big tire yesterday. Had a good showing for that. It was fun. The track is what the track is. It's really rough. It's really slick. And, you know, everybody's on the same surface. So it comes down to the tuner. Those people that make 2,000 horsepower, it ain't going down that today on 2,000 horsepower. So you got to turn it down to a more reasonable level. And then hopefully you can go some rounds. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying some new stuff, and we'll see if it works. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some swag. We got t-shirts, we got those flip coins, we got some pretty cool stuff there. All right, guys, let's check it out, see what happens. I'm also digging the trailer. I got some swag up there. Got some banners from the guys that have supported our program. I really appreciate it. This stuff is freaking awesome. Trailer's got plenty of room, so we will be selling some t-shirts down here too. Kelly's down here, so we're gonna have that. We got this stuff. You see, it's not really the best packed in the world. I did throw a lot of stuff away out of the other trailer, but you know, this one is, it'll quickly probably get overgrown, but we'll see. Starting to come around. Lots of people got our tent set up. Milton just went to the gas station, and we've always struggled with our gas on this thing, on how to tell. Redneck gas gauge, a zippy tie, and it works perfect. You can see exactly how much gas we got. So that's awesome. So let's crank this thing up real fast. Tune-up wise, we're good. We're going to add some weight to the back on the rear end, and I think we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna let him go over his staging procedure with you guys.
All right, same thing as yesterday. You can bump in, or you can be at the line already, whatever. Just let me know. Let your person let me know. You know what I'm saying? And if you jump the light, you lost. Best thing to do is just wait for the light. That's it.
All right, guys, we ended up with 35 cars. A lot of us locked in, but they ended up, I guess, a fuel shortage kept a lot of people away. Still got a good purse though. 10 to win, 6 runner up, 25, and then.
What'd you get? You wanna draw yet?
I ain't got nothing. I can't get up there. Hey, what'd you get?
37.
30. They ain't but 35 cars.
Yeah, we got 37.
All right.
Can't be many left. That is the last one.
Left and 7. 7 left. 7 left.
All right, here we go. We're going up. We're the 8th pair down. We got to race Webb. His car number is 184. I don't know who that is, but we fix to find out in a second. Here we go. First round. Coming up, Kendall's first pair out. We are the 8th pair out. I got, like I said, 35 cars, so that's not terrible. How are y'all? How are you? Good. The gas kind of hit us. Luckily, the buy-in was kind of steep. It was $400, but you had to do $200 lock-in in order to lock in. So we had 75 cars locked in. So the purse is still actually really good. So we're in good shape. What's up, sir?
Hey, buddy.
You see? So this is the first 8 pair, and then After we get done, then the next 8 pair will come up. All right, so here we go. This is the car that we've got to race. Now, is Webb the last name or just Webb the car name?
No, Webb's the last name.
Oh, that's perfect. Spider Webb. Webb. I'm John. Nice meeting you. Good seeing you. Man, that thing's pretty. I saw it sitting down there earlier. You been no prepping long?
This is our 3rd time out.
I got you. Well, cool, man. The car is beautiful.
Thank you.
Big block nitrous?
Small block forward digest.
Small block Ford? I got you. Well, cool deal, man.
Oh, we're friends now.
Look, of course, Randy's like, oh, that's my buddy. You don't see me Mustangs with small block Fords anymore, though. Everybody has been transplanted. All right, well, cool deal. Well, if you don't mind, I'll bump in second. I mean, are you going to start on the line, or do you need to bump?
Start on the line.
Okay, well, I just need to bump. So, I mean, mine spools up in about 3 seconds. So that won't take but a second.
Wait for you if you want.
Yeah, and then he'll come to me, and I'll bump once. All right, man. Good luck. Be careful. guys, that did not go as anticipated. We got a loss. I was pretty upset earlier, so I've calmed down now. It just sucks. I mean, you know, we did a lot of work. We put a lot of effort in it. And I think we just hit it too hard. I mean, the tune-up that we put in it, it was a little stronger than what it was last time we were out here. But all the changes we made, I thought it was going to take it. And it just didn't. It just hit the tire. I don't have mirrors on the car. I need mirrors on the car. I thought about it a few weeks ago. Milton mentioned it again. Randy's fixing to get me some earbuds or something. He just told me he's going to be on the cell phone with me. But luckily, they've got a second chance race for first round and second round losers. So it's like $100 buy-in. So we're gonna jump in that and see if we can go. My buddy Donald, he's the one that got me the tires, and he just got us in with his company. Donald, I appreciate it. So I appreciate that. He got us the tires, and he's gonna get us back our buy-in for our next round. But we're gonna try it. We'll see what happens. Might need a new driver soon. Who wants to drive? Y'all want to draw? Y'all want to draw straws?
You need to drive. Bill's used to it.
It got a little crazy out there. I shouldn't. So we took off together. I couldn't tell it was spinning, and man, it was just crazy. I glanced over there and I saw him coming on me, and so I grabbed the scramble button. And when I grabbed the scramble, it really upset the car. And so when it upset the car, it was just over from that point. I had to steer it quite a bit. But luckily, it didn't crash. It didn't jam it into the wall. So we'll try it again in a minute. Couldn't catch him.
You've seen it on YouTube. You've seen it tearing up the streets in the Midwest. We're start filming it out west and we're street outlaws there. Here at Darlington Dragway. Let's see what happens here. This is probably the
all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, Firebird, our lane.
Winner takes on John Felton for $5,000.
Ryan got back by him.
KC Max takes the win, moving on to the finals against John Townsend. It is a rematch of last night's Big Tire Finals.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Part one of our Saturday. I was a first-round duck. We had a blast. It was a good time. We just hit it too hard, got out of control. Luckily, I didn't jam it into a wall. Stay tuned. Next video will be part two, rest of Saturday. Y'all don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Thanks.